Hi guys, this is me, Elizabeth McGregor. I would like to show you how to make a tornado in water with a machine that I got from my parents. This is how it goes. All I do is click this button right here. And it's off right now, and there's different switches. There's that one. But I'm going to turn it on full blast right now. There we go. And it's going to swirl into the fan. And it's going to make a little tornado. I think it's awesome. Has these little bubbles in the little hole on top. And you could take the top off. That's when you take the top off. But makes noise. Anyway, so that's all. Bye.